Hey YouTube, what's up? Yeah, what up peeps? What up, everybody? Hola, once again, welcome back. This is your boy J Beats and Waves, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. So happy Sunday, peeps, wave raw, everyone, hola, hi. Yes, I'm back with another edition of Unboxing 2020 with your boy Jay, and I'm back. Yes. Now, in this video, I will be unboxing some of the things that I have purchased in 2020. Now, this is not everything that I have purchased, but this is one of the things that I have purchased. So, peeps, on that note, let's get into this video. Like I always say, keep the brushes moving, keep the waves popping, stay motivated, and yeah. So, if you guys seen my last video, you guys have seen this box. You've seen this box right here. Now it says it says fragile, handle with care, do not crush, and this comes from Crown Quality Products right here. So let's get into this, what's inside this box. I pretty much know what's inside this box since I ordered it. So let's see. Now, okay, they have this little bubble wrap thing to I guess this is to protect the brushes. I don't need that. I don't need it. But yeah. I have the invoice, the order number on there. It shows you what I ordered: the matte black medium, Bryson Jason medium soft, and Beijing black soft. So I'm gonna show you guys what the box looks like when you get it. That's how mine's looked it. So yeah, let's see what else they have. Okay, they got your boy Sir Cruz. Shout out to Sir Cruz. He doing some big things for Crown Quality right here. So shout out to Crown Quality. That boy, they're clean, and Sir Cruz and everybody else that works for Crown Quality. Shout out to you guys. Also, I seen these brushes on that boy that's clean YouTube. He dropped a video showing us what the new brushes was looking like, and he showed us some things that they did with the brushes, and I was like, yes. So this is what the back looks like. Says your hair deserves the very best. It's the Claxon military flat brushes, the ultimate bearded palm brush. You can scan for more information with this barcode with your phone right here. So now, let me explain something. Like the brushes I ordered, I went to Crown Quality Product and I ordered the brushes that I ordered, but I had to click on another link. So basically, they created another linking page to the home page. So basically now, when I go on Crown Quality Products, if you want to order the brushes that I ordered, you have to click on the other link, which is going to take you to another HTML page. Not a website, but another HTML page that's already linked inside the website. And so basically, it's going to take you to the 360 Wave Sports part of the page where you can get the brushes that I have bought. Now these right here, these are some of the new brushes they have on their website, and these are basically these are some of the new ones that they have, and this is on the main Crown Quality page. But I will show you guys the other ones, and we're gonna start with the matte medium black edition. Let's see. So let's see. Okay, so this is the CQP 2.0 Series 774 right here. This is 360 waves, 360 sport wave brush right here, medium bristle right here. And okay, I didn't see this on the spot. Okay, this is a medium mixed broad bristle. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, and also if you guys get more of these, you guys can make the crown right here. It spells out crown right here, CROWN. If you guys get the boxes and you stack them underneath the thing, I saw on their video when I was on their website, and then when I was on the YouTube page of that boy's clean when he dropped this video. So yeah, I definitely like the box. It's elegant looking. The back, it says the wave of the future, intended logo, no slip rubber grips, contour reinforced bristles, wet and dry technology used in shower, underwater, solo, and soakable body. So basically, if you like to do your washing styles, take it to the beach, to a swimming pool, or you want to do your washing styles in the shower, it's waterproof. like the iPhones and Androids. It's like they're now these smartphones are waterproof, right? Well, Crown Quality, the whole team came out with basically a waterproof brush, because if you're used to the old brushes, or it no matter what company you get your brush from, if you use them in the water, they tend to break, paint tend to chip, or the wood starts to crack after a while. So you got to know how to treat it. You got to make sure you dry your brushes immediately after you get your hair wet. But this is the material on this is supposed to be waterproof, so you can take it and put it in the water, do your washing styles, or wherever you go. Also, this is supposed to be indestructible, so if you drop your brush, like some of your brushes, the wood would chip, or like I say, the paint would chip off because you dropped the brush. You're like, dang, man, I just spent $16 or $20 on a brush, or $40, $50 on a brush. Now I got a crack and chip on it. Like, man, what am I supposed to do? So, yeah, so this is definitely right here. So let's see what else comes in it. Okay, now they come with this right here, this pamphlet. So basically, they come with a black card right here. So this says certification of authenticity. So this above certification certifies your purchase of a Crown Quality product. By registering your product, you are hereby entitled to special product offers, any private product drops, and exclusive members only content. Okay, that's dope. So this is how the black card looks right here with the number on there. Okay, so, and this is the back. Your purchase was only the beginning. Follow us on everywhere from exclusive products, deep discounts, free gear, merchandise, and more. And you can see right here. Yeah, and I like the new pamphlet they have, or the booklet. It shows you all the brushes that they have right here for the new sports edition right here. So, yep. And then, like I said, the future of the hairbrushes has arrived right here. And so, this is the back of it. So, yeah. So, that's it for that part. So now let's check out the brush. Now let's see. So from what I'm saying so far, I'm liking the. Okay, well, look inside the box too. Man, that's just pure marketing right there. Shout out to you guys for this right there. And also, man, this is dope right here. Like, okay, this is the bristles. This is the medium, right? Yeah, medium bristle, mixed broad bristle. So, man, this is dope. We're gonna do my review on these brushes real soon. So, this is dope. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Let's put this back in the box, and let's get to the other ones. We're gonna put this brush up here. This. Okay, we're gonna open up the medium soft, right? Oh, let's do the medium soft. Yeah, let's do it. So, okay, series 1, number 774, and this is a 100% broad bristle medium soft. Okay, so they're different, and they're all the same broad bristles. They have broad bristles in there, but some of them are mixed. So, all depends on which brush you get, I guess. So, okay, so I like the back of this too. So, also I forgot to mention, you guys saw it, but they have the status of what the brushes do, the trend, depth, lay, and shine. So, and this is just a different color. So they have, each box, I guess, has a different color of the seeds of brushes right here. And so I have another one of these right here. So same as last time right here. So yeah, another identification card. I gotta register this, and same thing while I'm in the same card, right? So let's open this up, put this back in the box. Fresh. Okay, this is a medium soft. So this is the blue. The Bryson. This is the Bryson Edition medium soft. So this feels like it feels medium and soft. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is nice too. The grips on here, like, man, the grips. Man, if you drop this bad boy, you ain't gotta be worried about it. You ain't gotta be worried about it. If you get this wet, you ain't gotta be worried about it. Also, they have the patent pending logo right here, so that you guys see that, the patent pending right there. So, yeah. Well, we're not gonna get into that. Unless you guys want a video on discussion on the patent pending that's in the web game, leave a comment below. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to know about. And I'll explain to you guys what's going on with that. But it's not a big thing, but it's not a bad issue. It's just some things in the web game. But yeah. But man, this is a dope brush right here. I can't front. This is a dope brush. This right here is a dope brush. This is a dope brush. Okay, and the last one. Hold on. So this is a medium softy, but okay. So this is a soft. So they probably put it in the wrong box by accident. But this is a Series 1774 Season 2.0 right here, and this is a 100% broad bristle medium. But okay, so it's a soft, yeah, soft. See, real quick, you put soft right here. You can go to the back or the side, say medium soft, but this is a soft. So, the wave of the future, same thing. Man, this is nice right here. So, man, I'm already liking this. Man, this. So yeah, I got another one of these. So basically, depending on how many you order, you have to. They give you different codes to register your brushes. So, yeah, this is, yep, yeah, it's nice. Let's put that back in the box. Well, we'll open the brush up. So, yeah, this brush right here looks nice too. It's a softy, yup. I can tell it's a softy. Man, look at the color, and this is the beige and black. Look at this right here. This is nice. The grips, man. We gonna definitely get some brush sets in with these. Like I said, I'm going to do a comparison contrast to the old CQP brushes and the other brushes that I have in my collection. Like I said, I got the patent pending logo right here, sign on there, so let's let you guys know. Patent pending. So, man, these are nice. These are nice. Man, CQP, if y'all want to work with me on your future brushes and designs, man, just hit me up in my inbox, man. We can work something out, man. Because, man, I definitely want to try these out, man. I definitely want to see what these do for my hair. So, even though I got the curls right now, but I'm gonna get back to the waves soon. So, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get back to the waves, and we gonna do some videos with these right here. So, like, I always been a fan of the CQP brushes when they first came out. And I bought their other brushes. Man, I was a fan of them then, and I'm a fan of them now. And like I said, I saved my money up to get these brushes. I didn't go out and spend these right away. Because it's like, I got a whole bunch of other brushes, but I knew that if I waited, something good would come. And something like this came along, and I saved my money up to purchase these brushes right here. And so far, I'm liking my purchases, but we want to get the brush session in. And once we get the brush session in, then we're really gonna see if it holds up to the test of times. So, Yeah, so, and what else is in this box? Nothing else in this box. And so basically, yeah, these are the brushes right here. Man, they dope, man. They fire. They on point. Yeah. Let you guys look at that real quick. And if you stack them, like I said earlier, if you stack them with that's supposed to spell crown, so it's like if you stack them like this, if you get this edition of a box, it's supposed to connect spell crown. So yeah, and so these are nice. These are dope. Yeah. So yeah, if you're gonna try these out and get these to go. Yeah, so peeps, that's it for the video. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more videos with these brushes, man, please, if you guys can, leave a thumbs up, hit that like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, give me feedback, any positive, negative feedback, man, I'll greatly appreciate the feedback on anything that I can improve on to make the channel better. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of these brushes, and are you guys going to purchase these brushes in the future, or are you guys just going to stick to your regular brush? Yeah, so peeps, wave world, everyone. On that note, peace.